If you're already spending money on traffic to build your online business, I want to show you something that made me stop and take a second look. It's called traffic ignition. Now, before you roll your eyes and say, here comes another shiny new program, I understand. I've been around online marketing long enough to have seen plenty of shiny objects. Some shine because they're gold. Some shine because somebody wrapped a bad idea in aluminum foil. So I don't jump into things just because they're new. But traffic ignition caught my attention for one big reason. The program may be new, but the company behind the traffic is not. They've been generating and selling traffic for more than 11 years. And more importantly, I've personally bought their traffic before, several times. I track my traffic because I don't care if somebody sends me 1,000 visitors if none of them do anything. The visitor count looks nice. It can make you feel important. But if nobody opts in, nobody becomes a lead, and nobody buys anything, you've basically paid people come by and wave at you. What I care about is conversion. And in my own tracking, the traffic I've bought from this company has converted well for me. I've also purchased solo ads over the years, and I've had times where their traffic performed better for me than solo ads that cost about the same money. Now, that's my experience. I'm not promising you'll get the same results. Your offer, your landing page, your follow-up, and a whole lot of other things matter. But for me, that history made traffic ignition much more interesting. I wasn't looking at some brand new company saying, trust us, we have great traffic. I already knew the traffic. I'd bought it. I'd tracked it. I'd used it. That gave me a little more confidence when I looked at the opportunity. So what exactly is traffic ignition? In simple terms, it combines wholesale traffic, training, AI marketing tools, and a 5x5 income opportunity. The membership is currently $49 a month. And what got me thinking wasn't just the compensation plan. It was the traffic. Because I'm already building other businesses online. Those businesses need traffic. Traffic costs money. That's just part of the deal. You can have the greatest website in the world, but if nobody sees it, you may as well have built it at the bottom of a coal mine. So I'm already paying for advertising. And that's when I started thinking, what if traffic ignition could eventually help pay for the traffic I'm already buying to build my other businesses? Now that makes sense to me. Traffic helping pay for traffic. I build traffic ignition. If it starts producing commissions, I can take some of those commissions and use them to advertise my other businesses. Those businesses grow. I need more traffic. I buy more traffic. And hopefully the whole thing starts feeding itself. There are no guarantees. Of course, I'm not telling you traffic ignition is going to pay all your advertising bills. I'm telling you that's my goal with it. And that's one of the biggest reasons I joined. Traffic ignition also has a 5x5 force matrix. The matrix pays $5 per active member through 5 levels. If all 5 levels were completely filled, that's 3,905 active positions. And mathematically, that would equal $19,525 a month. Now hold on. Before anybody starts pricing a new base boat, that is not guaranteed income. You don't join today and wake up next week with 3,905 people magically sitting in your matrix. It has to be filled with active members. Could spillover happen? Sure. And if somebody above me puts people into my organization, I will accept them with a smile. But I'm not joining with the idea that everybody else is going to build my business for me. I still plan to do the work. Like I've said before, spillover is gravy. I'm still responsible for making the biscuits. The other thing I like is that there's a real product behind the opportunity. Traffic, that's something marketers actually use. If you're building an affiliate business, network marketing business, email list, or just about any online business, you need people seeing your offers. Traffic ignition gives members access to wholesale traffic, along with training and marketing tools. And if that traffic is something people continue to buy, that creates repeat business around a product people already need. That's a whole lot more interesting to me than trying to sell something nobody would buy if there wasn't a compensation plan attached to it. Now, here's the part one really want you to pay attention to. Traffic Ignition's founding member period ends August 31st, 2026. Founding members get benefits that people joining later are not scheduled to receive. that includes immediate starter rank and a stair-step rank benefit during the first 90 days. The company also says founding members lock in the current $49 monthly membership price. There's also a 30-day money-back guarantee. So for me, the timing was pretty simple. I was already interested. I already knew the company's traffic. I already need traffic for my other businesses. And I knew the founding member period had a deadline. So I joined. I didn't want to wait until September 1st. Finally decide I liked it and then say, well, shoot, because there's no button on the computer marked. Take me back to August. I've looked. Now I'm not telling you to join Traffic Ignition just because I did. Take a look at it yourself. Look at the traffic. Look at the compensation plan. Look at the founding member benefits. Ask yourself one simple question. Could this help me build what I'm already doing? For me, the answer was yes. My plan is to build Traffic Ignition and hopefully use the income from it to help pay for the advertising I'm already buying for my other businesses. That's why I jumped in. If you're already buying traffic, or you know you're going to need traffic to grow your online business, I think this deserves a look. But don't put it off too long. Founding member enrollment ends August 31st, 2026. Click the link below. Take a look. Make your own decision. If it's not for you, no problem. Go have a cup of coffee and get on with your day. But if it does make sense to you, I'd rather see you make that decision before August 31st instead of after it. Click the link and take a look at Traffic Ignition today.